So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cut a handkerchief skirt. The training handkerchief skirt you see online everywhere. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to cut it. Okay. So you get your fabric. This is the fabric I'm gonna be using for this illustration. I got my fabric and I went ahead to show it into four. You get okay. Show it into four like this. Okay. The fabric is not that big, so I'm gonna use it to illustrate the skirt. So this is the fabric we're going to be using. The skirt always has an asymmetric line. Okay, if you watch the skirt, either the size are not equal. Either the length, this side is longer or here is shorter, whichever. So we're gonna be using, for first of all, before getting the length, I'll go ahead to get my waist. To get my waist, I'll divide, in order to get the hip, I'll divide my hip by 6.28. My hip is 38, so 38 divided by 6.28 is giving me approximately 6. Okay, so I'm gonna be using 6 for our hip. So I'll go ahead to use my tape to measure out 6. So this is 6. Then I will cut out. Okay, so this is what I have here. After that, now I'll go ahead to mark out the length of my skirt. So to get the length of my skirt, I'll take out -2. Okay, -2 to get the length of my skirt. The total I have here is 18. I'm going to be leaving it as 18. Then I'll also check from here. I have 28. I will leave it at that 28. This fabric is not enough. When you're making your own, you measure yourself. I know the length you're going to be using. So because I used 18 at this point, I'm going to also be using, this is the midpoint, okay, which is this place now, which I used to 28 and a half is there, 28 is here. So at this side, I'll also use that 18, which I use for this side. 18, you get. So from this, I will use my ruler to connect it. Okay. Now I'll use my ruler to connect. Okay, after connecting the lines, this is what I have. After connecting, as you can see, after connecting, this is the line. Okay, this is the line. I connected it. Now let's go ahead to press it out. No, this is just an illustration. When sewing yours, you use a material that is big up to your length. Okay. So our skirt is ready. The skirt is ready, as you can see. So next, I will cut out the band now. I cut out my waistband.